Okay, Savindya and Rashwan's sister, he told me that you were finding difficult in changing the profile picture in Zoom. So I'll be showing you how to change it. And first of all, you have to go to Zoom, and I am sure your Zoom is like this. And if it is, you go to this position here, and then click on that, and you will find my profile. When you click on that, you go to something like this, and in this, when you click over here, you get your profile. You can delete it or change it. When you click on change, you get to choose whatever you want to, and you click on something and you can change it. And if you want to delete it, just click on delete. It will immediately get deleted. So this is all you have to do, Savindya. I think you understand what I mean.